Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we show you step-by-step guides and tutorials. So in today's video, I'll be showing you how to log into your permanent residence portal. So let's jump right into the video. First of all, open up a browser of your choice and then search for permanent residence portal login. Then select the first link. This will take you to the permanent residence portal login page where you need to enter your username and your password. And once you've done that, simply select sign in. And if you don't have an account, you can simply select create an account to make one. And that's how you create your permanent residence portal account. So that's all for today, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have any questions, please let us know in the comments down below. Don't forget to leave us a like and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so you get notified every time we post a video. So thank you for watching and have a great day.